Deleting an Odoo website involves a few straightforward steps. Here's how to do it. Log into Odoo. Open your web browser and log into your Odoo instance using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the website module. From the main dashboard, locate and click on the website module. This will take you to the website management area. Select the website. If you have multiple websites, click on the specific website you want to delete. This will open the website settings and configurations. Access website settings. In the top right corner, click on the settings option. This section contains various configuration options for your website. Delete the website. Scroll down to find the delete option. Click on it and the confirmation dialog will appear, asking you to confirm the deletion. Confirm deletion. Confirm your action by clicking OK or delete in the dialog. This action will permanently remove the selected website from your Odoo instance. Verify deletion. After deletion, navigate back to the website module to ensure that the website is no longer listed.